Hi guys, how can you create this wonderful light beam effect in Photoshop? First, create a duplicate copy of your image. Then go to Filter Blur, Motion Blur. Apply these settings. Angle, 30 degrees. Distance, 550 pixels. Press OK. Now add a layer mask to the blurred layer. Then go Image Adjustment, select Invert. Next, select the brush tool. Brush type, soft round brush size. Around 243 pixels. Foreground color, white oak. Hold Shift while brushing to create straight light beams. You can paint multiple beams to build up the effect. Next, go Adjustment layer, then Gradient. Open the Gradient editor and choose a gradient from the Basics folder as a starting point. Customize the colors to match your desired lighting effect. Then save the gradient between. Next, create a clipping mask so the gradient affects only the beam layer. Next, select the background layer and go to Adjustment layer. Select Gradient, go to Basis here, the created gradient color. Select it. Set the gradient layer's blending mode to multiply. Lower the beam layer opacity to around 86% or adjust it to your preference. Select the mask beam layer. Go to Filter Gallery Glass. Use settings similar to Distortion, 4 to 5, Smoothness, 2 to 3 Texture, Tiny Lens. You can also experiment with canvas, blocks, or frosted textures. Press OK. If the beams look too strong, low opacity, or adjust it by pressing Ctrl+T and resize or reposition them for a more natural result. And your desired position. Finally, hold Shift and select all the effect layers, then place them into a group. And that's it. This is before and this is after. This is how you can create a dramatic light beam effect in Photoshop.